Little storyteller.
Sir Gideon was a brave knight with shiny silver armor. He had a round, happy face and a smile that twinkled like the stars. Today was a very important day. His friend Princess Pip had built a magnificent castle made entirely of wobbly, colorful jello. The jello castle shimmered in the sunshine, its walls bouncing gently. Princess Pip, with her bright pink dress and a crown of sparkling jelly beans, waved from the tallest tower. "Welcome, Sir Gideon," she called, her voice like tinkling bells. But oh dear, the drawbridge is stuck. The drawbridge, also made of jello, was indeed stuck fast. It wobbled but wouldn't go down. Sir Gideon thought hard. He tapped his helmet with his finger. Suddenly, his eyes lit up. He had brought a special tool, a giant loaf of bread. It was very, very stale, almost like a big crunchy pillow. He called it his bready battering ram. Carefully Sir Gideon lifted the giant bread. It was almost as big as he was. He took a few steps back, and then gently pushed the bread against the jello drawbridge. The jello wobbled wildly. Bits of red and blue jello jiggled and fell off, like sweet sticky raindrops. With a final gentle push, the jello drawbridge wiggled and then flopped down with a soft, sweet plop. Princess Pip clapped her hands with joy. "Hooray! You did it, Sir Gideon!" she exclaimed, bouncing up and down. Sir Gideon walked over the wobbly jello bridge and into the jello castle. It was bouncy and smelled like sweet fruit. Princess Pip offered him a piece of the jello wall that had fallen off. It tasted like yummy strawberries. They both giggled and ate the jello together. Even though the big bread helped solve the problem, sharing the sweet jello was even more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.